What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. We're going to actually talk about a cryptocurrency today and a coin really that I just bought. And some people in the Discord group know exactly what I bought. So if you want to be informed on exactly what I buy when I buy it, not saying that you have to copy my trades because none of this is financial advice. It's merely just all my opinion. And the way that I make trades doesn't have to be the way that you make trades. So you don't copy it one for one. You can go ahead and look at the things that I'm buying and, look at your situation and say, okay, can I implement this into my strategy, all of that, but don't copy it, right away. That doesn't make sense for you to do that because then you're not helping yourself when it comes to you investing. But we're definitely going to get into what I bought today. We're going to break down the market. I understand this information behind me is a little bit old because I haven't refreshed in a while, but we're going to get into the market and how the market is actually running right now. And then we're going to talk about exactly what I bought towards the middle of the video. So before we get started, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's go ahead and dive into this. So the current crypto market, let's refresh this. The current crypto market is down 3.35%, down to $2.56 trillion. You can see that Bitcoin's dominance did decrease by 1% today, down to 46%, which is still high. Bitcoin, after reaching a high point, not breaking the all-time high, it got to about 66,999 from what I've seen. It's down today, down to 62,000. You could see Ethereum is down to 4,000. That did increase. I think it was well above 4,200 today. But then we started to see, it fall down. A lot of cryptocurrencies start to fall down. And if you look at things like my Coinbase wallet, you can see everything here is really down. So let's go ahead and dive into exactly what I bought today. So this is new to Coinbase. Bounce token auction. This is new to Coinbase. And I always like to look at things that are new to Coinbase. And if anybody knows me, I like to focus on circulating supply. And if you look at the circulating supply on this right here, you're going to see it's 2.1 million circulating supply. It's not the max supply. That's only 21% of the total supply, which means that we're looking at about a 10 million circulating supply, or total supply, I mean. Now, even at 10 million, it's still low. 2.1 million, it's extremely low. You look at the market cap here and you compare that, that's at 104 million. Currently, the price is at $49, and just over the last day or so, yesterday, you saw it jump from $32 all the way up to a high of $63 today, right? And I bought into it around 51. So right now I'm down, but I know what I wanted to do, and I'll talk about exactly why I made that move. And it may feel like a premature move to a lot of people, but I have my own strategy that I implement in there. So Bounce powers an ecosystem of products for auctions, build, design, connect, collect, and trade all kinds of assets, tokens, and NFTs across multiple blockchains. So when we look at this, I really don't like to focus on use cases a lot. I understand I like to see things that are set up, websites that are set up the right way, that it looks like a legit coin. It gets added to Coinbase. Anything that I see that gets added to Coinbase, I look at as a potential buy, because it's not something that anything that's added to Coinbase has to be legit in my book. You don't really see too many scams that happen on there. You don't really see too many rug pulls like you see with other sites and stuff. But that's what I wanted to get into. And I'm not going to sit here and dive into all of the detail, because I can if you guys want me to. I really don't care about that at all, because all I care about is making the money out of the position and then moving along. But you see a lot of potential in something like this, because you know that I look at circulating supply. 2.1 million is definitely a huge supply there. So what was my plan? What is my plan for the whole entire thing? Well, I bought 10. Right? I didn't buy a lot. It's not like I bought 100. I bought 10. And the reason why I bought 10 is because I wanted to get my foot in the door, just in case this does keep running. Because a lot of times when things get introduced on Coinbase, you'll see it run a hell of a lot and then, eventually fall. And I expect a fall. I wanted to get my foot in the door with a small amount and then start to average down once I get to a certain level. So I feel as though we're going to see a little bit of a pullback, and we did see that pullback from 63. I expected to see a little bit of a pullback and get down to a level of 45, 40, maybe even sub 40, and we can look at a potential buy there for maybe 20 more, basically double that amount. As it does go lower, you double what you have, and that's exactly what my strategy is. I will double it it as it is going down, because I know of the full potential that it does have, and then eventually it does play out the right way, and you'll see this thing, skyrocket, and then I can sell off bits and pieces as it goes above my original, cost basis. Not even my current cost basis, just the original one. So today at its peak, where it got to 63, I made a decent amount of money out of it, just having 10. And I didn't sell the position because I'm still holding my 10 in Coinbase Pro, if you guys want to see that. Currently holding my 10, where's it at? Yeah, right here. Currently holding my 10 in Coinbase Pro. The price is a little bit lower, but I bought in at around this price. It is a little bit lower. Right now, as you see, it is at 49. And I'm all for this. I'm totally bullish on this, even though it's only been one day. The reason is because the circulating supply just shows so much value for me. And that's my opinion, I guess. So let me know what you think about this coin. Let me know what you think about the market in general, because the market is not going well. But this is a coin that I bought today, and I'm really hyped for what this coin can do, because again, it only has 2.1 million circulating supply. You compare that to other ones that have single digit circulating supply. Maybe we go back and we look at something like Compound, and we could say Compound has 6 million circulating supply, and that's up to 315. Now, I know you can compare those based on 1, the volume, 2, the typical hold time, the popularity, but this is only the starting point for something like Bounce. 2.1 million supply, basically say, okay, well, this is at a $1.9 billion market cap. Well, what happens if that gets to a $1.9 billion market cap? It could be very huge compared to what the price is now. So again, that's my coin that I invested in. You don't need to take this as financial advice, because it's not financial advice. This is all merely just my opinion. Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Hopefully everything's in sync. I'm going to try and edit this. I'm going to edit this in post to see if I can sync up the audio, because for some reason my stream is going different than every other video that I have. I really don't understand it. So let me know if it's in sync. And also let me know what you think about the coin. But make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links in the description, as well as checking out some of my other channels across YouTube. But I'm going to get out of here, and I will catch you guys in the next video.